Welcome to English 360.
Break down. The car broke down. So we had to walk home. Break up. My friend and I broke up because we had a fight. Bring up. My teacher brought up the homework during class. Call of. We had to call off the game because it started raining. Carry on. Let's carry on playing until it's time for dinner. Catch up. I need to catch up with my friends after being sick. Check in. We will check in at the hotel before going to beach. Check out. After breakfast, we will check out of the hotel. Came across. I came across an old toy while cleaning. Come back. Dad will come back from work soon. Come up with. Can you come up with a fun game to play? Cut down. I need to cut down on eating too much candy. Cut off. The power was cut off during the storm. Do it over. If I make a mistake, I will do it over. Drop out. He dropped out of the soccer team. End up. We didn't plan to go there, but we ended up at the park. Fall apart. The toy car fell apart when I played with it too much. Fall behind. I fell behind on my reading, so now I have to catch up. Find out. I want to find out how magic tricks work. Get along. My dog and cat get along really well. Get away. The thief tried to get away, but the police caught him. Get by. I can't buy that toy because I can barely get by with my allowance. Get over. I'm happy that I got over my cold. Get rid of. Let's get rid of the old clothes. Give up. I was tired, so I gave up running after a while. Go ahead. You can go ahead and start the game without me. Go on. The movie will go on after the commercials. Go out. Let's go out to play in the park after lunch. Hang out. My friends and I like to hang out after school. Hold on. Hold on for a second, I need to grab my shoes. Keep on. You should keep on practicing to get better. Let down. I didn't want to let down my friend by missing her birthday. Look after. Mom asked me to look after my sister. Look for. Can you help me look for my lost toy? Look forward to. I look forward to my birthday every year. Look out. Look out for cars when you cross the street. Look up. I need to look up a word in the dictionary. Make up. They always make up after a fight. Make out. I couldn't make out what she was saying. Pass away. Our hamster passed away last night. Pick out. I helped Mom pick out a gift for Dad. Pick up. Dad will pick up my friend and me from school. Put off. We had to put off our picnic because it was raining. Put on. I will put on my jacket before going outside. Put out. The firefighter helped to put out the fire. Run out of. We ran out of milk, so we need to buy more. Set up. My brother helped me set up the tent. Show up. She didn't show up to the party, so we missed her. Shut down. The computer shut down when there was no power. Sit down. We all sat down to eat lunch together. Stand up. The teacher asked us to stand up. Take after. I take after my mom because we both love to read. Take off. The plane will take off soon. Take over. My sister will take over feeding the fish. Tear up. I accidentally tore up the paper. Throw away. Let's throw away the trash after the picnic. Turn down. I asked him to turn down the music. Turn off. Don't forget to turn off the lights. Turn on. We turn on the TV to watch cartoons. Turn up. Mom told me to turn up the volume. Use up. We need to use up all the glue. Wake up. I usually wake up early on school days. Watch out. Watch out for that puddle. Work out. I like to work out by riding my bike. Call up. I will call up my friend and invite her. Drop by. My neighbor might drop by later to say hello. Hold back. I didn't want to, but I held back my tears. Take up. I want to take up drawing as a new hobby. Run into. I always run into my friends at the playground.
If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe.